Hi Treetops children, it's teacher Miranda here. Today we are going to do a fun science experiment. We are going to make fireworks in a glass, so it is safe. What we'll need is some warm water, some oil, a glass and food color. So first of all, we're going to pour the warm water into the glass. So here you can ask your mom or dad to help you do this. Okay, if you are brave enough, you can do it by yourself. So you put the oil there, the water. Let's put a little bit more water. Next, we are going to put some food color into the oil. So I'm going to put a drop of green. Oops, 2 drops there. And then I'm going to put a drop of red. And then I'm going to put a drop of yellow. Okay. So, did the food color dissolve in the oil? No, it didn't. Let's see what happens if we put it into the warm water. Okay, we just have to wait for a few moments and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so why didn't the food color dissolve in the oil? Who knows? The reason it's not mixing is because food color is water-based and the water is heavier than the oil. So we say the density in water is heavier than the oil. What's density? Density is the weight of the liquid. So the weight of the water is heavier than the oil. Wow, guys, did you see that? That's so super cool. So the oil floats to the top because oil and water do not mix because they have different densities. And because of the weight and molecular structure, water is more dense than oil. Therefore, the oil floats to the top and the water-based food color goes to the bottom. And there you can see it all floating to the bottom. Let's drop another color. Let's do red on the top of the oil and see if it goes down. Is it going down? They're all going down. So let's try and put some blue and see what happens when we put a drop of blue on the oil. Let's see if you can see some blue going down. Wow, that's so super cool. Okay, you can try it with your family, moms and dads. You can try it with your kids. You can try different colors and see what happens. You can also try it with cold water and see what happens. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.